Bob thought getting stronger required a fancy gym, a personal trainer, 7 different machines, and at least one giant tire to flip. Because every fitness video online seemed to be filmed inside a warehouse full of equipment worth more than his car. So Bob assumed, no gym, no muscles. Turns out, Bob was very wrong. Bob wanted to get stronger. But there was a problem. Actually, several problems. The gym was 20 minutes away. He was busy. He was tired. And every time he finally convinced himself to go, someone was using the exact machine he wanted for the next 3 presidential administrations. So Bob does what most people do. He waited, and waited, and waited for the perfect time to start. The perfect time never showed up. Bob tried solving the problem. First, he bought resistance bands, used them twice. Then they disappeared into a drawer. Next, he bought adjustable dumbbells. Those became very expensive coat hangers. Then he bought a yoga mat, which somehow turned into a dog bed. Bob wasn't failing because home workouts didn't work. Bob was failing because he believed every workout needed to be perfect. If he couldn't do a full 1-hour workout, he did nothing. And nothing is surprisingly bad for progress. One day, Bob accidentally discovered something. The human body is kind of dumb. It doesn't know where you're training. It doesn't know if you're inside a gym, inside a garage, or next to a laundry basket. Muscles only understand one thing: challenge. If a movement is hard enough, your muscles adapt. That's it. No fancy machines required. No motivational speeches required. No titanium water bottle required. Challenge the muscles. They adapt. You get stronger. No gym, no excuses. Just challenge. Just consistency. Just show up. That's the secret. Bob finally had the answer he was looking for. So Bob started small. Very small. Push-ups, bodyweight squats, lunges, chair dips, planks. That's it. At first, Bob could barely do a few push-ups. His arms shook like he was defusing a bomb. But every week he improved. A few more reps, a little more strength, a little more confidence. Then he added a backpack, filled it with books. Congratulations, Bob had invented budget gym equipment. His backpack became a weighted squat machine, a weighted lunge machine, a weighted push-up machine, for exactly $0. Bob was becoming resourceful and slightly suspicious of fitness marketing. Here's why Bob finally made progress. His workouts were easy to start. No overthinking, no overwhelm. No commute as gym was 20 feet away. No waiting for equipment, no excuses. When a workout was only feet away, skipping became harder and consistency became easier. Remember, the best workout isn't the one that burns the most calories or uses the fanciest equipment. It's the workout you'll actually do, again and again and again. A lot of people think they need a gym before they can build strength, but Bob learned something important. You don't need perfect conditions, you need a place to start. A few basic exercises, a little effort, and enough consistency to keep showing up. Because strength isn't built in a building, it's built through repetition. And whether you're in a gym, a garage, a living room, or standing next to a pile of laundry, your muscles don't care. Just start and let the work do the rest. Welcome to FitSketch, where fitness is simple and simple works. Don't forget to like and subscribe.